In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change steering wheel on the Thrustmaster T300. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing the steering wheel that is installed on your Thrustmaster T300 or any other model is extremely simple. I recommend following the user manual if you would like additional visuals for this, but for the most part, you will be able to do it on your own. So, once you have your aftermarket wheel that you want to use on your Thrustmaster, all that you have to do is undo the small holding screw. So, if you look at the back of the steering wheel, there will be a little screw between the wheel itself and the base, as you can see highlighted here. All that you have to do is undo this small holding screw. Don't undo it fully. This holding screw needs to be used later when you connect the new steering wheel, so just undo it slightly. Once you feel that you can easily rotate this base, just start rotating it either clockwise or counterclockwise. Now, while holding the wheel and rotating this, you will feel it let go. So eventually the wheel itself is going to come apart and you will be able to remove it from the base. So simply grab it and take it away. Once this is done, you just have to insert the new aftermarket wheel that you acquired. So place it into the hole. Once it is properly and securely placed, hold it and then keep pushing. Once again, rotate the base on the opposite direction to make sure that it is tight. Once this is done, tighten the holding screw that you saw at the top, and then the new wheel will be properly installed. You can once again calibrate it, connect it to your PC to download the drivers, and you will be able to use it on any compatible game or software that you run. So all that you have to do is undo the small holding screw, rotate this little base connecting the wheel itself to the base, and once this is done, you will be able to change it into any available compatible aftermarket wheel that you have. Like I said, I can't give you instructions for every specific model of T300, so if needed, refer to the user manual, but most of them will work on this principle here. So as long as you undo the small holding screw, you will be able to plug it in there. Sometimes you might also find a quick release button and you can remove it that way as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to change steering wheel on Thrustmaster T300. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.